Welcome to your dream country estate, a piece of the country only minutes to the beachfront. Upscale features like hardwood floors throughout the living room and dining room make this home a great choice. It's a chef's dream kitchen. Large island, granite, gas stove, and high-end appliances make it perfect for the cook in your family. A master bedroom where you wake up to water views, and a master bathroom that is like your own personal spa. 3 other bedrooms in the split floor plan, or 2 bedrooms and an office. Plus, over 1,000 square foot of unfinished upstairs space for your imagination to plan out. Enjoy the Carolina sunroom views over the water, and if you love horses, there's a 3-stall barn with living apartment, which only adds to the value of your property. Your country estate by the beach is waiting for you.